Imagine asking your computer, where are we at with monthly recurring revenue today? And having it instantly process thousands of data points to reply with the exact figure, down to the dollar. Standard AI models on the web are helpful, but they start with amnesia every time you open a new tab. Close your browser window, and the custom instructions you spent 10 minutes typing out are gone. The solution is building an AI memory vault. This system gives a locally run AI a memory that persists across sessions, using nothing but plain text files stored on your hard drive. You only need 2 tools to build this system: Claude Code and a free note-taking software called Obsidian. There is absolutely no coding required to set this up. You do not need to hire a developer or pay a monthly fee for enterprise software to have a highly personalized digital assistant. I am going to show you exactly how to build it right now. If you want to master tools like this, be sure to subscribe to AI in Heels. Step 1 is creating a dedicated home base for your AI on your computer. This provides an isolated workspace where the agent can operate. Right-click on your desktop, create a brand new folder, and name it My-AI-Agent. Open that new folder and create a simple text file inside it. Name this file claude.md. This flow diagram shows how your AI connects to the claude.md file. This file acts as the boot config. It applies the filters for your agent's name, its personality, and the foundational rules for how it interacts with you. This file serves as the system's primary entry point. By creating it, you provide the AI with a specific destination to check for its name and instructions before it begins a single task. Next, we have to give the AI a way to read and organize its long-term memory, and that is where Obsidian comes in. Open the Obsidian app, click Open Folder as Vault, and select the My AI Agent folder you just made. This diagram breaks down how Obsidian actually works. It functions as a visual layer for your local folders. It maps directly to the standard files on your hard drive, allowing you to browse and edit them through a clean interface. Because Obsidian only reads your local files, you retain total control and privacy over everything the AI learns, without relying on external cloud servers. If you let an AI read your entire vault at once, you will quickly burn through usage tokens. The AI will also experience context bloat, causing the system to lose track of details, hallucinate answers, or crash entirely. To prevent this, you need to create a map. Inside your Obsidian vault, create a new text note and name it vaultindex.md. The first mandatory section of this index is about you. Write down your name, the details of your business, and your operating goals, so the AI knows exactly who it is working for. The second section is the map itself. List the top-level folders in your vault and write exactly 1 sentence beside each describing what is inside. By instructing the AI to read this index first, it can successfully navigate thousands of notes without ever crashing its context window. With your rules and memory map in place, you can activate the system. Open your computer's terminal, if you're on a Mac, or command prompt on Windows. Type the letters CD for change directory, hit the spacebar, and then drag your My AI Agent working folder directly into the terminal window. Press Enter. Now type the word Claude and press Enter to initialize the AI. Test the setup by asking a simple question, like, who am I? You want to verify that the AI successfully reads the About Me section and returns the correct details. When you receive an accurate answer, you have proven that the AI is officially tethered to your local memory system and ready for work. As you continue working, you will organize your vault by creating dedicated folders for different tasks, like one folder for email marketing and another for Facebook ads. This flowchart illustrates AI priming, instructing the AI to read a specific folder before executing a task. For example, before drafting a newsletter, the AI reads your email marketing notes. It reviews past campaigns and customer avatars first, then writes the draft. In the world of AI, context dictates quality. Targeted priming ensures your agent's output is highly relevant and accurate to your specific business voice every time you use it. The day-to-day operation becomes incredibly fast. You can write a quick note in Obsidian, switch to your terminal, and immediately instruct the AI to reference that exact file for a new project. Every new note you add to the vault acts as a permanent, cumulative upgrade to the AI's intelligence. It retains the information without you ever needing to retype it. You have successfully built a localized, secure AI agent with a memory that scales as you add notes. It can grow from a single file into a comprehensive knowledge base covering every aspect of your business. Building automated systems requires patience, but it is entirely accessible to anyone willing to follow the steps. If this workflow helped you, please like the video and follow AI in Heels for more technical guides.